How do I make an insurance claim for my caravan? Hi, I'm Jaclyn from Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre. We're an independent insurance repairer as well as all your usual maintenance. And this is how you will make an insurance claim for your caravan in the event of an accident. One, you're going to pick up the phone or go to your computer and let your insurance company know that you've had an accident. They're going to want to know when the accident happened, what happened, and what type of damage you've sustained. Two, they're going to ask you, where would you like to take your caravan? If you're in Sydney or New South Wales, please tell them to come and see me at Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre. My team and I would love to look after your insurance repairs for you. Thirdly, the insurance company is going to give you a claim number. Now that's really important with any type of dealings from this point on to do with your insurance claim. Step 4, you'd ring your repairer, could be Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre, and book an assessment to get the insurance assessment and quote performed. The quote will go off to the insurance company, and that's when step 5 kicks in. The insurance assessor gets allocated from the insurance company, and they will assess the photos, the quote, your van. Often they'll come out and see it. Sometimes they do a desktop assessment, which is done if if it's really small or low value and they can see everything in a photo. Sometimes they'll do that, and they'll decide whether or not to approve the insurance claim. Now, hopefully at that point, the majority is always yes. The next step is that the insurance repairer will order any parts that are required to fix your caravan or your camper trailer. Sometimes these have a delay on them, so we get the ETA. We know when we're going to expect all the parts to come into the workshop. From then, you get a phone call or you're dealing with your repairer who will book you in to get the repair completed. Gets all fixed up. In that time, make your plans to go on that next trip and enjoy your beautifully repaired caravan. Make sure you like and subscribe to follow for more tips.